Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to replace the power supply blocks on satellite dish receiver metric. Problem on power supply, it's broken. I don't know the series number on this transistor. Look at this, the transistor is broken, and so I decided to replace the new ones, and it's faster than fixing. The thing we have to pay attention before replacing power supply, look at the required voltage on the main board. The required voltage is 3.3 volt, 15 volt, 20 volt. Look at this. Make sure the new power supply, they are the voltage required, because error in inputting the voltage will make a serious damage on this main board. Here, this is the new power supply that I have bought. The output voltage is complete. Look at, they are 3.3 volt, 5 volt, 15 volt, 20 volt. It's better to check the voltage before connect to the main port. Okay, I will try the output voltage. They check the output voltage before connect to the main ports. With the wires like this, so that easy to connect, and 5 volt we don't need more, we just need 3.3 volt, 15 volt and 20 volt. Okay, we start now to check the output voltage with DC volt. This is the ground wires, and 20 volt right here. Okay, good. Then 15 volt. Okay, so it okay. 15 volt, 30.6. Okay. Then switch on 20 volt, and this is 3.3 volt. Okay, good. 3.4, no problem. Okay, connect right now. Okay, be careful and don't get wrong in connecting the voltage, because the wires contact is not the same. So I cut and connect them like this. They are two ground wires. Look at this, they are, I make two ground wires. Okay, we are going to try now. Okay, turn on. Okay, thank you for joining and watching my video today. See you.